Hi folks, Dog Relics and Sons here, just at the lovely place, the old Fisherwick Gardens, farming gardens again, and I've just located something. I've dug it out, let's check it out together. So I've dug out the plug. See what it is. Garrett pinpointer. It's there. Oh, looks like a coin to me. Happy hunting. Looks like 1916. Happy hunting. Hi folks, Dog Relics and Sons here. New property, playing fields of an old schoolhouse. And I've just found an old halfpenny. Dug him out, got him out already. Let's check it out. There's the print of it. 1952. Happy hunting. Hello again. Just found another coin. Dug it out because the ground is solid. Absolutely solid. So it takes a bit, and it takes more video time now. But here we go. Found a penny, and it's got. I cleaned it up. Well, a bit of a sweat dropped on it, and it's 1918. Here we go. Hi, Dog Relics and Sons here again on a beautiful hot day at the old playing fields of this old schoolhouse. Just come across another old penny. Coming in and have a look. Let's give it a nice little clean. 1934. Happy hunting. Dog Relics and Sons here again. Just located an old badge in 2 pieces. Check the old again, found a little bit more of it. I can't find any more, but it looks like it says crown and kroners, something like that. Let's check it. Dog Relics and Sons here. Just found an old pound coin, and it's a collector's one. Happy hunting. Let's have a look of the date. 1994. Happy hunting. Hi folks, Dog Relics and Sons here. We're just digging out a bank. Located load of bottle lens, pottery. As you can see all there, I'm digging out. We had a few old ones the last time I came, but nothing at the moment. So we'll keep on digging, and if I find anything valuable or good, we'll show you. Happy hunting.
And I've just found an old button sitting right there. Look at it.